Welcome to my channel Creative Kids Project. My name is Vedanshi Singh. Today we are going to make a volcano model. So let's start. The materials we need are: we need a tray type of cardboard, thermocols, an empty bottle, tape, plaster Paris, paintbrush, scissors, glue and pastel colors. So now let's start our Science Live Volcano project. Now let's adjust the bottle in the thermocol like this. Now our volcano is adjusted with thermocol. Now let's apply some newspaper on it. Once we adjust newspaper, thermocol and bottle like this, now we will mix plaster Paris with water to create it like a mountain. Now we will let it for drying. Now let's paint our mountain. If you don't have brown color, you can mix red color and green color to make it brown, like this. We have to mix equal amount of colors. Now you can see as I have got an brown color. We will paint the volcano with the combination color of brown, black and green. So first at the top we will color it brown. Paint red for the lava like this. Now our volcano is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel Creative Kids Project to get notified as and when videos are uploaded. Thank you.